Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This is Bala here, and those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This is what the backtest result about the scanner which is we have created. That is nothing but. So today I'm going to discuss about another candlesticks pattern. So that is double candlesticks reversal pattern, how it is working on this. So yesterday's video we are discussing with on Telegram channel daily. I have posted that a post where I am going to find out based on the candlesticks pattern that I was posted there. So here on the same candlesticks pattern which is giving you the performance result about the uh, candlesticks pattern is nothing than that is white inside out of candlesticks pattern. So the white inside out of candlesticks pattern which is forms at the lowest level of the month. So should be the lowest level of the month. So we are going to take for the jackpot option strategy. Okay, so this is the pattern where we are updated on my Telegram channel. The code is, I think I was updated already. So and this was happening at the lowest level of the month, even more powerful reversal happening on the market. So this is what a reversal setup where the market is started falling and there is a pattern at the candlesticks pattern, there is a reversal. So here we are finding out two candlesticks reversal pattern that I'm going to discuss here, that is called white inside out of. So let's see white inside out of how it is looking like white inside out of candle. I think this was not happening even we are trying with the Google search and we don't find out that. I think somewhere like this only, but the white inside out of candle should be this is 3 inside, but this without this candle that should be the white inside out of. So when that kind of candlesticks forms in the market, so we are going to take, so but it is not here there. So let's try to inside out of, or in I will show you the candlesticks pattern side out, side out. Hope you see that these are the candlesticks where it forms a inside out. This is for an inside out short, this is for an inside out long. So can you see that this is the pattern where the first candle should be red and second candle should be green, and the first one should be green and second one should be red. So this is what the code which is inside out, but this is not it. This is forming all the candles where it is forms a kind of inside out pattern, but we are going to take that was happening on the lowest level of the month and as well as highest level of the month. So this is what the highest level of the month where inside out forms. When it is broken below that level we can go for a short, but unfortunately we don't get an opportunity, right? And again there is a candlesticks pattern which forms, but here somewhere the lower leg is there, lower wick is there, that is why it is not finding out, but we will take the calculation. This is what a valid one. Okay, so now you understand what is the first candle should be green or red, the next candle open in between, that is a gap up or gap lower, and then it moves above the closes above the first candle or closes below the first candle. So that is called the inside out up or inside out down. So in this video I'm going to take in about inside out up candlesticks. Now I have run the scan. We don't get any stocks for tomorrow, that is Monday. We don't have any stocks for here right now, and for this September month, from here September 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and only 8 days we got a this kind of pattern. Let's see on the September 2nd or September 1st September, we have only one stock, that is GMR Infra, but the stock value is very less, so I don't go for this stock. So let's see, but even we check that GMR Infra, what happened? 27, this one, 1st September. Let's say I will remove this. On the 1st September, GMR Infra forms a inside out pattern, but we are normally we don't take the stock which is trading below 50 or 60, so we don't take it. So but even though this stock is 30.65 breakout with a stop loss below 29 or 28 or 0.28 something, but it moves well. So I don't focus for this stock because it is a very low value stocks, and also I'm not going to take a trade in options in this stocks. And after that, so we have the second one which is giving you such an opportunity on the 2nd August, 2nd September. We got a lot more stocks like Cipla, Kodak Bank, Nifty, Marico, TCS, Mindtree, MCX, and LTS. So let I'm going to take this stock. First one is Cipla. So Cipla, which I'm going to take the first. So if these are the previous data which I marked the level, I'm going to remove all the drawings now. And the first is September, where this is the candle. The first day should be red, and the market next day it's open gap higher. So this is the close of the day. First one was a red candle, and next day gap up, and it closed over and above the this price. And this is what the entry point where we are going to take. That entry point is somewhere around 960. Next day it moves 963. So that was the entry. But the stop loss for the trade is 919. So where I'm going to take an entry around 960, the stop loss for the trade is 920. Almost 40 rupees stop loss. It is not a quite impressive or not good. But even though if you are taking 960 call option, right now market moves 984. But I am ignoring due to the big stop loss on this stock. And the second one is Kodak Bank. These are all the stocks which is forms the inside out pattern on 2nd of September. That I have already updated on my Telegram channel too. Inside out of 2nd September, this is the pattern where it forms. This scenario, how much make a profit or loss, risk reward ratio 1788 with a stop loss of 1753. Almost 30-40 points is the stop loss. 53288, 1788. It is around somewhere around 35 points stop loss. When the market is broken that level of 1790, I should try to take a call option 1800 on the date of 3rd September. We'll take a closing price of that. So let's open with the NSE website. We will directly see instead of checking with the option charts. Let me see here Kodak Bank 1800 call option. So that I'm going to take here now. I'm directly go for the stock option and 1800 call. So I'm currently it is trading 226 rupees. On the 3rd September, last 1 month data, I'm going to pick it out right now. On 3rd September, it is closed by 42. So the large size of the stock is around 400. So if I take a trade for this stock, somewhere 42 into 400, right? 42 into 400, that is my investment record. So almost 17,000, 16,800 is my total investment. But right, the stock is max moves is 250, 248. So let's calculate 200, somewhere around 80,000. So you are booking more profit on that stock. Only simple naked option buying. But the risk for the traders somewhere around 42 rupees. If you are ready to take that 42 rupees as a risk, so then that is why you are making this profit. If you are not able to take this risk, this is the profit, you are not going to get it out. So the risk and reward, which is very important while we are doing the trading. And what happened on the second stock, Nifty? Just a second. The second one should be the Nifty. Third one should be Nifty. Nifty also we can check, and Nifty rallied very big. And you can also try with the Nifty, and you can backtest. I think second there is a candlesticks and the breakout level should be 17,200. Now it is 17,800, almost 600 point rallied. So 100% sure you are going to make money on that options. If you are buying a call option in Nifty, the risk for the trade is 17,245 with the low is 17,055. So almost 200 point risk. It regenerates you more than 600 point return based on that investment. And Marico, let's see Marico. What happened in this Marico? Marico, that is what the 2nd of September. The first candle should be very small and second candle should be big. 572, and then the stop loss for the trade is almost 30 points. It is a big stop loss, but even though if you are taking the position, that should be the loss. So let's say the entry was triggered by after 4 days, not happening by the next day. Last 3 days, next 3 days it never give you the opportunity. We will understand there is no big such a movement on that. Almost 4 days market is down, but continuation, that is a trend is keep on going up. So we will expect a very fast movement, but it is not broken. The 4 days is consolidated, and then it gives you a breakout. Even if you are buying 570 call option, Now it is trading 557. Let's say where we got a entry opportunity based on this candlesticks pattern somewhere around. I'm taking closing price instead of taking the exact point where it is broken out. I don't take it 575. So let I'm taking a 580 call option or 570 call option on the date of 9th September. So Marico, I'm going to take Marico 570 call option 9th September. I'm going to buy. So what happened 9th September? The price is 18 rupees, and next day itself it went up to 24 rupees, and finally now it is coming to 5 rupees. So 13 rupees was your loss if you are taking the trade. 2000 is the loss. 26,000 may be the loss for the trade, but it generates you somewhere. The profit is around 12,000 within a day. But we are expecting a higher profit. We are expecting the higher loss. We are expecting small profit. We are expecting small loss. That is the point. And after that, TCS, Mindtree, MCX, LTS. So let's go for a TCS. What happened on the second? This, sorry, here, and after breakout around 3589, it moves towards 3984. Almost 100 points movement. With the next 2 days, it broken the entry. After that, it fall down and again it moves up 3000. If I am taking entry 3850, so 3860 call option if I taken on 6th September. TCS, I'm going to take the call option of 6th September, that is the price is 3860 call. If it is available, we can go for that 3860 call option. If I'm going to take that price of 6th September, that is a price where it is broken that level 6th September. I'm taking a closing price. Okay, 6th September closing price is 92. After 2 days, after 15th, it moves to 152. Now it is trading 59.60. So where you have bought around 6th September around 92, and within a 3-4 days it went up to 152, and again now it is 59. So when it is profit came, so we are trying to book their profit. Likewise, while we are checking Mindtree, if you are buying Mindtree, MCX, LTTS, you will be getting paid huge. Okay, Mindtree 2nd September, where it is broken around 3770, now it is 4700. Let's say Mindtree, it is a ultimate jackpot trade. It is next day it broken. The previous is 3780, next day 3810, next day itself it broken on 3rd September 3800. Mindtree, I'm going to take Mindtree 3rd September, the call option is 3800. What is the price on the call option? The lot size is around 325. 400. Oh my god. 400 lot size, 1/3, 147. Now it is 900. Let's assume what happened here at 147. So investment is 400. Somewhere around the 60,000 is your investment. But now the price is moves 930. If you calculated 900 into 400, what is the use? I will take a calculator to calculate that. 900 into 400. So almost 3,60,000. So 3.6 lakh as single stock generate you the profit. Even what your investment on other stocks based on this method or based on this candlesticks pattern, all goes lost. This only one stock is recovered all your capital and you are going to ending with a profit. That is what the real jackpot where it has happened on the starting of the month. We don't know which stocks is going to perform or which stocks is ready to perform. We don't know, but we know this is the method where we are going to follow. That was happening so huge. What is this? So many people who are asking about what is the success ratio, accuracy, like that. The accuracy doesn't matter. So what you are following with the risk reward ratio, that is always fixed, right? So follow with the risk reward ratio, and then MCX and LTTS. Then first of this month, I'm going to take an MCX. That is second. Here the price it is broken next day 1557. So if I'm going to take MCX, if the strike prices, availability of the strike prices 1556 1560 available. So the next day which I'm going to take in, the price of the stock is second next day which I'm going to take, next day opening itself it triggers, but even though I will take a closing of the price 1580 and I'm taking a 1560 call option on 3rd September. It is 86 rupees. Within a day, it doubles. It moves up 50% more, 148. And now it is trading 108. You bought 88, now it is trading with 20 rupees profit. Okay, among we checked almost some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cipla we are avoided because of the big stop losses. Okay, and then finally LTTS. If you are taking LTTS, what happened in LTTS? That is the thing. The next day it never giving you the opportunity, but I'm taking a closing price as my reference point. I'm going to take 4,772. I'll take a 4,100 call option. Next day of 3rd September, what will happen? LTTS. I'm going to take the call option of call 4,100. Maybe round number, always trading better volume. And this LTTS 3rd September 344. Now it is again 900 and today is 700. This is also 200 lot. So we will easily calculate it. 344, almost 70,000 investment we required for the trade. 3rd September, I'm taking a closing price only. I'm not taking a opening price. 344 within the 200 lot. So we required almost 70k margin, but now it is 900. That is comes around 1.8 lakhs. So Mindtree, LTTS, only having this stock 3 lakhs and 1.8 lakhs. This alone which gives you somewhere around 5.4 lakhs profit. So if you are taken on the day one, so you followed this much of stock. Each and every stocks required a 5 lakhs capital, 50,000 approximate margin. For this all 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 stocks. Okay, approximate what the margin required for the to trade this one. Cipla I ignored it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stocks. Approximate margin of 50k. So you are going to invest 3.5 lakhs. But only 2 stocks alone, Mindtree and LTTS, given up 5.4 lakhs per. Here almost I taken some success on Kodak Bank, Nifty success, Marico fails, and TCS also B fails, Mindtree okay success, and MCX fails. This one is success. So how many of them which gives you profit? So Mindtree, LTTS, Nifty, and somewhere Kodak Bank also given profit. So if you're taking this one, TCS fails, MCX fails. Among 3, we win somewhere around 4 out of 3. So the accuracy is somewhere around 60%. Some people asking what is the accuracy you have. The accuracy doesn't matter. The risk reward ratio. So you are running the reward on this stocks that gives huge. The simple method which gives you some good kind of return. So this is the one day. On the day first I am taken for a study. After that we find out some stocks. The next day, 3rd September, we are at Coal India, and someone who know about Coal India, this month it is giving you such a great profit. On 3rd September, when it is broken 147, almost 20 points is gone. So the next day, 6th September, I got an entry, and that I'm going to take 150 call option, Coal India. Right, so Coal India, let's take 150 call option, and I'm going to take on 6th September, 150, where is 150? 150 call option, which I'm going to take now. 6th September, it is 3 rupees, now it is 20 rupees. And the lot size is 4,000. Another jackpot trade, which is present based on that option strategy. And again, this is what 6th September, Metropolis. Let's check Metropolis. 6th September, I already marked this one based on this, and it is broken 2,900 and it went up to 3,200. That is also be profitable trade. And again, here 2 stocks, 8th September, Bank Nifty and PFC. PFC also we done this month profit. Here on PFC, after breaking 133, it went up to 147 rupees. I think the large size is 6,200, because even we have attended the trade and we booked a good profit. And Bank Nifty, on 6th September. Where it is here, 8th September. What happened? Bank Nifty, that is happening 8-9. 8-9 here. When it is broken after sometimes 3-4 days later. So here, no, 9. Next day itself it broken. So somewhere 855, 857. Entry triggers 36,800 and then it moves to 38,000, almost 1,000 points. So this is the method simply we can follow, and a lot more stock is there. And next one is Pidilite Industries, and after that we got a 20% sale, right? And recently we got MR of M&M, Shriram, Bandhan Bank, Can Bank, Indiabull, and yesterday it forms the 23rd HDFC. But now if you am following the option buying by based on this pattern, now I'm going to fight with the time value. So the time value plays a major role in the end of the month. So I'm not playing with any option trades the last week because the time value will always affect us to lose. So that is why the initial month I am focusing, that will give you such a great return if you are focusing that. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And so many of them asking about how to get our Telegram link. Everyone who messaged me, if any of my video, just go for my videos and you just search for a link on my description of any of my video. You can just follow the link. Just this is my video here, and if you are going, I think the net is not working, so you can find out the link in my description. So there is a Telegram link which I provided here. You can take the link and you will join with that link. Thanks for watching this video. I think there is a problem. Thank you so much for watching this, and thank you so much.